It's time to ask you about the vocabulary of letter U. Sounds U, letter U sounds A, letter U sounds letter U sounds U. And it is started from caffeine.
So letter U sounds U, boat. So letter U sounds U, university. So letter U sounds a, purse. So letter U sounds A, none.
Good,
That's
thank
all.
you. Now it's time for Jason. We will go to letter U sounds A.
Son,
Letter U sounds
mother,
Letter U sounds U.
united,
Letter U sounds U.
student.
Got it.
Letter U sound U.
Sounds.
Sounds. Bull. Letter U sounds nurse. Letter U sounds U. University. Letter U sounds cat. Thank you.